You can use this Flash USDT on stake to play casino, and also you can use this to recharge your gift card through Flash USDT. So in this video, I will show you how you can create Flash USDT. First, go to remix.ethereum.org and follow my steps, accept it, and now first click on create new file and name it usdt.sol. Now enter and go to Flash USDT code link, select all the code and paste it all here on Remix. You can get the code link from the video description or video comment section. Close the Remix assistant and go to Solidity Compiler tab. Choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click on compile usdt.sol. So you will get a green check. Now go to deploy and run transaction. Choose the browser extension and select MetaMask. Now type your wallet password and unlock your wallet. Connect your account. So our account is now connected. You need around 0.05 Ethereum and some extra to pay transaction fees. Now type the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT. Now click on deploy. And on maxif we'll type the nearest max number 1 and confirm the transaction on MetaMask to deploy the contract. Alright, so our contract is now deploying. Wait to get the green check. So our contract has been deployed. Now click on the Flash USDT liquidity bot and click on the 3 dots and open in Explorer. So this is our newly created contract address. Copy the contract address and fund the contract address. Send here 0.05 Ethereum as a liquidity to generate Flash USDT. Now confirm the transaction. Alright, so transaction submitted and transaction confirmed. Let's refresh the page. Alright, so our fund is now added and balance is also showing in our contract. Now choose the function start and click on transact and do the same on max. We will type 1 and confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright. Okay, so we got our green check mark. So our bot has been started. Now click on withdrawal and click on transact and do the same on max. We will type 1 and confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright, we got a green check. Our start and withdrawal function both are completed. Now let's check our MetaMask. Awesome. So we have received 50,000 Flash USDT. Now you can transfer it to any exchange or betting site or trust wallet. So if you have any queries, you can contact me on Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.